Hello delegates. In this video we will be discussing where you can find the draft report template on the SRMUN website and also providing a little bit of details about how the report writing committee will function. So if you go to the SRMUN website, which can be found at www.srmun.org, it'll take you to the homepage, and from the homepage you can go over here to this tab of delegate preparation, where you can select virtual conference. Once you're taken to the virtual conference page, here you'll find videos for different tutorials on how to do virtual sermon. You'll see some materials and documents, and as well as some forms. The draft report template will be listed here under materials and documents. When you get to the draft report template, what you will do from there is you will not be able to write into exactly this draft report, since this is the template that everyone's going to have to use. You can either download the file or make a copy into your own Google Drive. To download the file, you can go to File, to Download, and then Download to Microsoft Word. And this will, as you see, create a download to your own personal computer. The other option is you can just make a copy to your own Google Drive. And in order to do this, you'll go to File, Make a Copy, and then just save it to your own Google Drive. This just makes a copy in your personal drive, and from this copy you'll be able to type directly into the document. You'll also be able to share the document maybe to other delegates that you're working on so that you can all have access to the same Google Doc. And to share with people, you can just add them here, add their email addresses, and submit that here. So just as a reminder, when it comes to report writing committees, there are going to be two different templates based on the topic that you're discussing. And this is because we provide you both the introduction as well as the mandate for the committee. The introduction is going to be topic specific, which is why there are two different templates. The introduction serves as a way to provide some context to what the issue is and why the PBC would be involved in the issue. As you can see here, for the Peace Building Commission, the topic creating opportunities for youth education and involvement in the peace building process. So that's the topic, and then here in the introduction we see an explanation of the PBC's involvement with that topic. The second section is the mandate. The mandate will be the same in both topics. The mandate just serves as, what is it that the Peace Building Commission is able to do and the powers granted to it by the United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. So the mandate, again, is going to be the same in both topics, but the introductions will be separate. This is important because you need to make sure that you're downloading the correct template, and then where you will be doing your writing and providing your input will be under conclusions and recommendations. Your conclusions will serve similar to preambulatory clauses and draft resolutions, but where you're stating facts, where you're stating maybe some statistics on the issue or just where the current state of things are. And then in the recommendation section, that will be where you determine what changes the PBC can recommend, what changes the UN should adopt in order to tackle the issue. This is just a brief overview of how draft report segments work. They are called segments because, remember, when it comes to report writing committees, by the end of conference, each topic will only have one report. So everything gets combined into one document, unlike maybe GA Plen, where there could be 5 different resolutions. In a report writing committee, all the draft report segments are combined into one big report. If you do run into any issues or have any questions about how the report writing process works or how maybe the integration process will go in your committee, just be sure to talk to your dais, your director, your assistant director, and they will be happy to provide you all the answers to the questions that you may have. Thank you.